Good morning. It is day 7 of Vlogmas. So I'm just kind of getting myself organized. We had so much fun last night. Last night was my Christmas party with the girls that June hosted. We had a few merry martinis. We had a nice supper together, and we did a gift swap. We do it every year. It's usually, we've mixed it up with games and presents and everything, but I didn't show what I gave the girls, and I have one for myself, so I'll show you what I got the girls last night. Ages ago, I had found these candles at HomeSense, and I mean, it's like a ball of twine, but it could also kind of be like a cake of yarn as well. So I gave the girls one of these, and then on Etsy I was able to find a box of matches to go with it, with these like little vintage pictures. There's a creepy snowman but yeah, so I put that in a little bag with a can of wine I had gotten in Nova Scotia. So we had a lot of fun, lots of laughs. I always have a good time with these girls. And I'm really tired today, so I'm going to keep going, or last night's going to catch up with me. Also, last night, my friend Michelle, she just got back from a big trip. They visited a couple of different countries, and one of them was Portugal. And she got me this. She gave it to me last night. It's so pretty. It's a fingering weight, 100% Portuguese wool. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but it's beautiful. And I love this bright, bright pink magenta. So I'm going to head out the door. I've got to go to the post office, and I've got to grab a few groceries. And then I want to run to Canadian Tire and go peek at the Jillian Harris Christmas collection of ornaments and goodies that she has out. So hopefully I'm not too late. I think it's all probably really picked over, but I'm going to go peek at that. And that's about it. It's a yucky, rainy day today. And also, I'll tell you what I'm wearing. My sweater it's called the Halibut. It's by Caitlin Hunter. When she first came out with it, I was like, oh, that's cool, and never actually really thought I would be up for making a sweater with a bunch of fish, like halibuts on it. And on Instagram, I saw it, someone else had knit it, and it was beautiful. They did it in white yarn with these like cobalt blue fish. And once I saw it on somebody else, I was like, actually, that's a really beautiful pattern. So I decided to knit this, and the yarn I chose was Sonder yarns in their Sunday Morning DK, and the color is, I wrote it down, the gold is called Full English, and this deep olivey green is called Wanderlust. I'll put those on the screen. But yeah, it's beautiful yarn. It's, you know, it's toothy, but it's soft. It's definitely got like a nice rustic feel to it, but it's still super cozy. Anyway, I think it's adorable. And I don't wear it enough. I kind of forgot about it because at first I wasn't actually happy with the colors that I chose. I was like, why didn't I go with like a gray and a pale pink? But I did try to kind of do something different, and I'm glad I did. I love gold, I love green, but I'm always about pinks and grays. So it's nice to kind of get out of your comfort zone once in a while, and I'm glad I did. So it's a beautiful sweater. I followed the pattern to a T. I can't remember what size I made, but I always make my sweaters loose and a little oversized. It's just how I'm comfortable. Anyway, I will get back to you because I have dinner plans to share.
The lights and all the windows, red and yellow and pink
Okay, I'm going to get ready to start supper and I'm going to share the recipe with you. I'm going to make salmon cakes tonight. So if you would like to follow along, grab a pen and I'm going to go over the ingredients that you're going to need to make salmon cakes. Okay, so here's what you're going to need to make some salmon patties. You're going to need about 1 pound of fresh salmon, 2 eggs, a medium onion and dice that up, half of a red bell pepper, dice that up, some garlic salt. You're going to need, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of mayo, a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, and cut that up. And last, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, the mistletoe is hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Mistletoe is hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Hey, where you going?
I gotta go.
Haven't even finished this drink.
I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has
Been hoping that you'd
so
drop in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like
My
ice.
mother will start to
Beautiful,
worry.
what's your
My father
hurry?
will be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace
So
roar.
really I'd better
Beautiful,
scurry.
please don't
Or
hurry.
maybe just a half a drink
Put
more.
some records on while I
The
pour.
neighbors might think.
Baby, it's bad out there.
Say, what's in this
No
drink?
cabs to be had out
I
there.
wish I knew
Your eyes
how
are like
to
starlight.
break the spell.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks
I ought to
swell.
say no, no, no,
Mind
sir.
if I move
At least
closer?
I'm gonna say that I tried.
What's the sense of my
I
pride?
really can't
Baby,
stay.
don't hold out.
Ah, but it's cold outside. Oh, oh, oh.
Come on, give me a chance.
I simply must go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
The answer is no.
Oh, darling, it's cold outside.
This welcome has been
I'm lucky that you
so
dropped in.
nice and warm.
Look out the window at that
my
storm.
sister will be suspicious.
And your lips look
My
delicious.
brother will be there at the door.
Waves upon a tropical
My maiden
shore.
aunt's mind is
Gosh, your lips are
vicious.
so
Or
delicious.
maybe just just a half a drink
Never
more.
such a blizzard before.
I've got to go home.
Baby, you'll freeze out
So
there.
will you lend me your coat?
It's up to your knees out
You
there.
know you've really been
I thrill
great.
when you touch my
But
hand.
don't you see?
How can you do this thing to
there's
me?
bound to be talk tomorrow.
Think of my lifelong
At least there
sorrow.
will be plenty implied.
If you caught pneumonia and
I
died,
really can't stay.
get over
no,
that
no.
holdout.
Oh, but it's cold outside.
You better get back over here.
Man, you don't give up, do you? I gotta go home.
No, you know what? Why don't you just go home then? It's fine.
Fine, I'm leaving.
Good. Kill the environment, burn this wood.
Oh,